Hello, my name is Andres Vascones. I'm talking about value chain. It's important administrative tool. It is a use and strategic tool where business activity is a review to be able to describe each business movement from an internal logistic path to the service that is offered after having already delivered the product, or in other words, from the arrival of raw material until delivered and follow up to customers. Companies can use the value chain by describing step by step the process that is done in order to find what the business advantage is, and thus be able to carry out an internal analysis to identify trust and strength. The value chain stems from the man Michael Porter, on which they relied on management to create this important tool. The value chain must be made up of two important elements. The first are support activities, and the second is primary activities. And together it will have 9 processes. Each and every one of the categories of the value chain will be explained below. Support activities, catering. In the support activities of the value chain, it refers to supply or acquisition of inputs. These inputs are directed to the manufacturer on products, such as raw materials, to the supply of the factory, with the objects that we will make uh, those products. The acquisition of machinery and technology, it also has the supply of assets such as land, building, computer equipment, office equipment, and laboratory equipment. This allows the description of the inputs while the objective of analysis in conjunction with the other elements of value, but in itself in a specific way. It allows us to see the best opinion, because if the inputs that the company acquires are specific or of good quality. Technological development. The support category describes all activities to improve the product. This definition of the technological development is related to the technological department, which goes into activities to describe from the descent from the creation of the product to the complex research and development to develop more innovative products. Human resources management. This definition describes the activities for personnel selection and job acquisition and every one of the members of the organization, with the aim of having continuous improvement. In this category, is value analyze human resources such as hiring, compensation, staff members, incentives and benefits of loan. It is a support activity that supports the principal very well for a well-developed value chain. Uh, company infrastructure. In this support activity, accounting, government affairs, and laws enter administration. From a general approach, as well as quality, this category is carried out in the general way and not in a specific way or individual activities. The development of this category may vary if the company covers market-wide different or diverse products, or if the company is unified to be a single market. Mm, Companies that have more products will have a greater competitive advantage than companies with only one product. Mm, uh, Primary activities, internal logic. It is a series of the activities that monitors of the arrival of the inputs for the manufacturers of the product, the correct control of the inventories, and the way in which the inputs are going to be stored. Mm, uh, in, Internal logistic as the first element of primary activity allows a coordination reasoning to exits between incoming inputs and customer demand. While internal logistic is more productive, there will be a better advantage over other competitions that exit with the market. In the other words, internal logistic manages activities for the correct flow of transport, supplies, storage, and stock operations. This selection described each of the activities for the production process, from the transformation of raw material to the finished product. Depending on the each company, it will have a different production process, some more complex than other, since you have more technology or its production process requires and more qualified level and personal. uh, External logistic. In the external logistic, the activities carried out by the company form the output of the products, and for it to reach the final customer are described these layers from storage of the finished product, delivery of products, vehicle, vehicle for the delivery of the product, management of the stock of finished product. The objective of external logistic is that the product reaches the final customer in excellent condition and with high quality for customer satisfaction. Marketing and sales. Within marketing, it allows us to describe the activities related to the pronunciation of the different products that a company is marketing with different media. The product will be prominent with the buyer's need. Sales are negotiation activities and pricing strategies, also ground of the company. Uh, this act is born by business means up to sale with the aim of encouraging the customers to consume and pay for the product. Marketing and sales must work together to work more productively. Service. These are their activities after the delivery of the product to the customers. Uh, Consumers are monitored for adequate technical support if required, including a return of the product due to possible failures, mm, with the aim of the correcting faults and improving the product. Thank you. This man is Michael Porter, the creator of the value chain. Porter is an American academic known for his economic theories. He was born in Detroit, Michigan on May 23, 1947. Porter's primary field of work is competitive strategic. This is the value chain. The business value chain, also value chain, is a theoretical model that allows describing the development of the activities of a business organization generating value to the final product. As you can see, it is divided into primary activities and support activities.